Okay, guys, welcome to our channel. My name's Alyssa. We got Paulina, Karis, and Maddie here. We're going to talk about Big Sky. Okay, so let me pull up my thing. All right, so Big Sky transportation is major part of the community because it's so remote. And it's a big part of community health because it doesn't matter how many resources are available in the community if no one is able to access them. In Big Sky, the local bus system is free. And there's also a bus that goes to Bozeman daily, but it's $5 each way to Bozeman, which is kind of pricey, but you can get punch cards and stuff like that. And there's also like a lot of different carpools that people have for like jobs and things like that. But the bus system enables people to access healthcare in Big Sky and in Bozeman. So people who live up at the mountain can take the bus down and go see the dentist or like go to the medical center or something like that. And then it also enables people to access all the trailheads throughout the area. They're all pretty centrally, a lot of them are centrally located, so you can like take a bus to one area and just walk to the trailhead. And this allows for people to access outdoor recreation, get their hearts pumping. And then the fact that the local bus doesn't charge a fee makes it even easier for the community to access local resources. Like I said, Big Sky Medical Center and Mountain Pearls Dentistry. Montana is super large and a rural place, and walking and riding a bike is not always feasible, especially if you're trying to get to Bozeman or something like that. And a lot of places in Montana don't have really good public transportation. So the fact that Big Sky has a reliable bus system makes it even easier to access the entire community. Okay.
Okay, so next up, we have Big Sky Medical Center, which Alyssa quickly referenced. The bus does stop here, and the facility is considered a critical access hospital. It provides essential resources to the community and the surrounding areas, and it also serves the community of West Yellowstone. Some of the resources they have within the medical and center include a 24/7, 365 emergency department with an ambulance service. They have inpatient care, primary care, behavioral care, imaging, ultrasound, laboratory services, and then they also have a pharmacy, which is really great for those community members, so they don't have to drive all the way into Bozeman just to get their prescription refilled. The medical center related to public health, it's essential because it provides all of those tiers of prevention, so primary, secondary, and tertiary. An example of primary prevention would include the COVID vaccination clinics they have offered to the community, and an example of secondary prevention would be health screenings they put on for the community, and then tertiary would be maybe your primary care provider is concerned that you have cervical cancer, so they do a pap smear. And they are just a super great resource so that people don't have to drive into Bozeman. And the primary care really adds on to the preventative portion of medicine that's really essential in public health. And I think we're ready for the next one.
Okay, so here in this picture is a playground, and this embodies public health in Big Sky because its purpose is to help foster a happy and healthy population of children and adolescents in Big Sky. Big Sky's population tends to be younger than the rest of Montana, and there are many families and young adults in this community. Much of the town is staffed by young to middle-aged adults, and the wealthy families that have part-time homes in the area often have children who also would utilize this playground. And this playground embodies the focus on nurturing the love of the outdoors in the children and adolescents of Big Sky, with a unique rock wall and wooden play set, as well as the very clean, well-kept area for the children to play. This area also relates to public health because it's easy to access. So families without reliable transportation and families of all economic statuses can access it and utilize it.
Okay, so finally, pictured here we have Morningstar Learning Center, which is a place where kids can go to daycare. And then this is really important to public health because it's a way for families to know that their children are being kept safe and being educated in a healthy and happy environment. This allows for things like parents to go to work and earn income for their families, which then allows them to be able to afford food and housing, which, as we know, are huge contributors to health and public health. And this is a resource that's really important for families with young children in order to facilitate a happy and healthy community.
Beautiful. Well, if you liked this presentation, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah. Follow us for more content on our page. Peace.
We make new videos every Monday.
Yeah. Content every Monday.
Peace out.
Peace out.